So today I am back with another fashion DIY, and this is kind of on trend at the moment. It was last year and it seems to be this year. If you are a regular, you will have seen that I made a Vans top with flowers on over a year ago now, and today I'm back with doing the embroidered Nike tick on a t-shirt. So that is what I'm going to share with you today, how to embroider the Nike tick if you didn't guess by the title. So you just need a t-shirt or whatever you're going to applique onto or embroider onto. So I've just got this grey t-shirt. It's sort of oversized. It doesn't have to. I would really love to do my navy blue sweatshirt, but like for the weather now, it's too hot to wear a sweatshirt, even though I'd love to. So I'm going to use this grey t-shirt. You need embroidery silks, which I've got 10 ton in here. A needle, a sewing needle. Scissors, just in case. And then a pencil, or if you aren't that confident, please do use a embroidery hoop. I don't need that. And then you need to print off a Nike tick to draw around. That is your template. So I just got this offline, but you can find many, I guess. And then just size it down to the size you want. This covers a fair amount, but I wanted it quite big, so it's just up to you on size. That is all you need, and I'll show you the techniques, the sewing styles that I'm going to use, the techniques I'm going to use to create different flowers across. You can use one flower, multiple flowers, whatever you want to create this, but it's mainly floral design. Okay, first up, you want to position where your Nike logo is going to be. You want to get the tick round the right way, which I have done a lot of research for it, which is me wearing it that way, so it's that way. And then you just want to lay it out where you want it and draw around it. Okay, so I've put my needle and thread together. I've got 2 strands and a knot on the end, and all you need to do is make a cross, but each bit needs to go down in the center, so you need to do 4 stitches to make a cross like shape. And once you've done that, you need to bring your needle and your thread back up to the middle of the cross, nearest as possible, ready to go. And then once you have done that, you just need to go round and round and round, making the needle go under each of your loops you made to make your cross, until the whole flower is complete. So there's no more of the cross, like there, you can't see the cross anymore where the thread is. And then you just need to put your needle back through down to the inside and cast off. Okay, so to cast off, you just need to bring your needle back through to the inside of it, and you pinch a bit of the fabric up that is not seen on the outside, and you just go over and over that loop about 3 or 4 times, and that's good enough to cast off. Then you can cut the thread. Lucky for you lot, you probably won't have a camera above your head, so you don't whack it like I just did. Anyway, I've just got white thread now. I've got 2 strands again because that's what I like to work with. And we're going to do like a chain stitch daisy now. So I've just come up in the middle. And then you want to go up like so, make the loop like I just have, and then go in, and be mindful of where your pencil line is. So when I pull this needle through, it will loop the thread round, causing it to chain stitch like so. You could do the flower this way, and so it's like a corner of flower, or you can go back down next to that and go back up where you were in the middle. So you're basically repeating the chain stitch around to form the daisy-like shape, and then once you've done that, just cast off like you did the first flower. So every cast off is the same, it's just a different flower or technique of sewing to create the flower. So yeah, that's it really for a daisy, the actual petals of a daisy. Right, so I've got the yellow threaded now, and I am just going to come up in the middle of the daisy. Like so. Then this is called a French knot, which never seemed to go correctly for me, but you wrap the thread around 5 times and then back down next to it. There is your French knot, and then you can cast that off unless you're going to do some more yellow elsewhere. Obviously this flower can be done any way, so you could do it any colours, and that would be quite nice. To create lavender, you're using the same stitch as it is for the daisy, so a chain stitch, but rather than going back down into the middle and then going off elsewhere, you're just doing another one off after the other one, so it's like in a line rather than that. This is for the green, so for like the stems, but then afterwards you can put your purple lavender on in the same way. It works. You just need to just do some chain stitching, which I'm showing you now. It works and it looks amazing, and this is what I'm doing fine up into the ends of the tips. So it's some time later now, and you can see all my flowers are on and it looks beautiful. You can tell it's a tick, but the Nike logo, but I just want to put in some green like leaves, because I just feel like it could do with a bit here maybe, or like some twine like leaves in between. So I'm just going to do just like the chain stitch here, but I'm going to just do some through like somehow, and then like here a leaf, you know, just with chain stitches, just to bring it all together. I think it just needs that, but that's just my personal opinion. So I've got the green, I've got 2 strands again, and I've tied a knot in the end. And actually I find it better because it is so up the top that I can put my hand in this way and do it, and it works just amazing. So here, let's start here. So just as I said, it's just chain stitching again. Here it is. Look how good that is. I love it. It looks really nice on, it's in the right place as well. It's perfect. So that is how to create a floral embroidered Nike logo. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. What is your favourite flower in general? But also, mine is probably a peony, but also to embroider on. Flowers are very hard to, or most flowers are, it just depends what you do, but this look has turned out really good and I'm really pleased with it. So thank you for watching. Bye.